guys. So today is going to be another episode of Meet the Allies. And I've taken this initiative because there's so many of my clients, my cross-dresser clients, my gender fluid clients. They've always asked me some questions, and I know that I am not really capable or equipped to handle those questions. So I decided to bring in psychotherapist Vicky. He's a practicing psychotherapist based out of Mumbai, and we decided to bring him on to the show so that we can get questions from you. Already a lot of people DM'd me their questions. You can also ask questions, but of course in between, if at all we have a conversation going on, I wouldn't be able to take in the questions at that time. So for the people who do not know me, my name is Yani Srivastav. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a mother of a 6-year-old son, 5 cats, 4 dogs, a makeup artist in Bangalore, used to be a corporate trainer. I also do voice and accent trainings. And today we have Vicky. So let me get Vicky onto the screen with me. He is him a request. And here are we going to be. This is going to be awesome. Hello. Hi. So good to see you.
Same here.
And yes, and this is a midweek, a Wednesday, 2 p.m. And we have about 30 people looking at us right now, which is awesome, guys. It's 32, it is growing. Fantastic. I honestly did not really expect a lot of people because it was like midweek at 2 p.m. A lot of people will shy away from attending something like this, a talk with a psychotherapist. So welcome to the show, Vicky.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be here.
Yay! Okay, so I have a couple of questions for you. A lot of people, as I said, DM'd me. And, and for me as well, I do not know the difference between a psychotherapist, a psychologist,
all right,
and a psychiatrist. Who are these people and what is the basic difference between these three?
All right, so let's start with a psychiatrist. So a psychiatrist is someone, who is medically trained, who is authorized to give you medicines.
You can be louder, Vicky.
Who's authorized to give you medicines. He's medically fit because he has done his MBBS and after that he has done his master's.
Okay.
All right. A psychologist is someone who can do testing with you.
Okay. What kind of testing?
So a test can be a stress based, it can be intellectual stress, it can be a career test.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
A psychotherapist is someone who would do different therapies with you.
Okay.
So a therapy can be a play therapy, it can be a sound therapy, it can be color therapy.
Okay.
So a different therapy would be involved with a therapist.
Okay. So let's say my clients.
Okay.
My clients are confused. A number of my clients are very confused.
All right.
Because they cross-dress.
Okay.
And they want to know, number one, if this is a mental illness, because they're always confused. They're like, something's wrong with us.
Okay.
And, this is a mental illness. So should I go and visit, visit someone? I'll get to the question later as to who should they go to.
Okay.
But right now, I just want to know if this is a mental illness. Is it a mental illness?
Definitely not. So it's not a mental illness. Let's go with that. Yeah, so let's go with that. It's not a mental illness. So what is cross-dressing? All right. So cross-dressing is just gender expression. Nothing more than that. Why do I say gender expression? Is because when you were born, you were told that you are a woman, right? When I was born, I was told that you are a man. How do we know that? Because somebody told us that.
Right.
Right? So we are born with a gender and there is something that they have told us, the people around us.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
After that, there is one gender that I identify with. So
there is one gender that I
identify with.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
as I said, you are born as a woman. You have been told that you are a woman, but not necessarily that you identify as a woman. You may identify yourself as a man from inside.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
And you would like to dress up like a man because you identify with that gender. So it is just cross-dressing is just an gender expression. So it cannot be a disease.
Okay. Now the question is that there are some of my clients who are very macho, okay?
All right.
Extremely macho clients. They are manly, and sometimes they of course bring in the manly side more to kind of prove to themselves, to kind of overcompensate, in fact, the feelings of trying to dress up as a woman, or they try to kind of hide it, okay? So they are overly macho. They will like ride heavy bikes, and they'll have a thick mustache. They will have like beard going on. They will do very macho things. They will box, and they'll get into boxing, and they'll get into weightlifting to to kind of prove to themselves, or prove to the world, or prove to their own soul that they are men, like because they are trying to suppress in a way their something which is deep inside.
All right.
So I feel that they identify with both the genders. They identify a bit as a male, and they identify as a female also. So I feel, okay, correct me if I'm wrong, I feel that, they are both, they kind of like, do this, right? So I feel there is a major confusion going on. Is there confusion, or is this normal?
All right. So this is completely normal. The confusion comes in when you have not accepted yourself. Okay. So when I say that you have not accepted yourself, when it comes, I was born, or there are people born, everybody has been told, the people, surrounding people, they tell them, you are born with this gender, right? But how do hello? What do I identify myself with? Yeah, so that is the most important
So that
part.
means basically this is what I understand. That means once they have accepted that they like to dress up as a woman and there is nothing wrong with it, they will not really overcompensate, and they will understand, yes, there is a man side in me and there is a woman side in me as well, which sometimes I think it could be called as gender fluid, right? This is a term that generally kind of like, get in, because you tend to waver in, and sometimes as a man you will behave like a man or do these manly things, and as a woman you'll do the pretty things, right? I know of a client of mine or a friend of mine who is into weightlifting, fitness trainer, does these really, like, he's an alpha in his male group. He's into these things, right? But the moment he decides to become a woman or cross dresses, there is a major personality shift. And what happens is, I have seen him or her prancing around like a girl, like a teenage girl, right? So the personality just kind of like totally shifts. So I think the only the confusion will arise mainly if you have not accepted. And I think even if you have accepted yourself, like let's say I have accepted that I'm a cross-dresser, I'm just saying me. I have, my client has accepted that they are cross-dressers. They have accepted it. But there are times that they go through this major confusion still. There is still self-doubt that comes in. So when should they actually go and visit? When is it that they visit a psychiatrist? Should they, shouldn't they? Because it's not a mental illness, they understand it. Theoretically, they understand it's not a mental illness. But they're feeling these feelings and they are torn between these bits. So when do they visit? When do they visit a doctor? When do they get medical help? I mean, if at the choice of, I don't really know which better words should I go ahead and use, but when should they go and visit a doctor?
Well, when you have confusion, you're not visiting a doctor because you do not have a disorder. Let's get that thing very clear. So there is no disorder that you have, or there is no disease that you have, right? So you want to go and visit a counselor or a therapist.
Okay.
When we do it, it's up to an individual when they want to go ahead and meet. When the confusion is getting too much, and you know that, boss, I really cannot handle it anymore, or I can't understand anything, or the tunnel looks too dark and there is no light at the end of it. So that's when you can go and visit a counselor.
That means when they get very stressed,
Absolutely.
when they are not able to function because of the feelings in their head,
Absolutely.
right? That's when you will go and visit the doctor or a psychotherapist or a psychologist, not because you have a disease, but because you are feeling confused and stressed.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
Because you're feeling stressed. Because I understand stress is just not related to this confusion going on your head because you are gender fluid or you like to cross dress. It can happen to anybody. Like when we're talking about two different things, for example, because if at all a man is dating two women or a woman is dating two men, there's going to be confusion and stress, isn't it?
Absolutely. Even if you're taking care of a dog.
Stress can happen. They can be stress and confusion like with anything. So if you're feeling confused, to the viewers as well and the people who are going to be seeing this recording, if you are feeling stressed, just be okay. I think it is okay. Not I think, it is okay to visit a counselor to say that I am feeling stressed and I want to talk.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. We can get stressed anywhere. While doing shopping also we can get stressed. We like something and we have a similar kind of a state, something else also. Maybe a t-shirt or a shirt, and you're completely stressed out. What do you want to buy first? So that can also be a sign
some
of
people
stress.
Can get stressed, of course.
Absolutely.
Like for example, if I have only $1,000 and if I like two dresses and I'll be like, I don't know which one, and possibly if I haven't picked up any for 3 days, I'm going to be stressed. I'm just giving an example, not really.
Absolutely.
3 days, I'll be like, oh my God, I saw this and I really want to pick it up, and I really want to pick up either of them or both of them and stuff like that, right? Yeah. Now there is a problem, okay, that a lot of my clients feel or have that in the mind. There is a fear and they're scared to enter a psychological center, or let's say psychiatrist office. Now a psychiatrist, like for example my psychiatrist, because I'm a bipolar type 2 and I'm on medication and etc. etc. So I go to a psychiatrist. Now the issue is the psychiatrist has an office. It says a psychiatric office or whatever. They have counselors, they have psychotherapists, and they have psychiatrists. Okay.
Absolutely.
So there is a fear. Like the problem is there's a fear. Even when they call up, okay, the receptionist goes ahead and asks them certain questions which stresses them out, and as soon as they call up, they hear the receptionist sound and they lose their strength or the courage and they hang up. So what should they do when they call up? How to get over this?
All right. First thing, when you call up any counseling center, all right, or a psychiatrist clinic, the person who's answering the phone is already aware that the people who are going to be calling up, they are calling up because they have some kind of problem that they think that they have and they want to discuss. So if
that they think they have also is very important.
Yes.
The key word here.
Yes. So they think that they have.
Not necessarily that they have.
Absolutely. So they have been trained to answer the phone in a certain manner. So when you call up, so you don't
Right.
have to explain them exactly why are you calling them, what you have to
No,
talk
no,
to them.
sometimes they ask, why do you want to come? Like, is there a
So when you
problem?
okay, so
Do
when
you
you
want to? So उसका आंसर क्या देना चाहिए? मतलब अचानक पहले मेरे को यही नहीं मालूम है मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, राइट?
Okay.
आई एम ऑलरेडी सो कंफ्यूज. तो मेरे को फोन पे कोई बोलेगा कि आपका प्रॉब्लम क्या है? लाइक, हु डू यू वांट टू सी? मेरे को खुद ही नहीं मालूम है हु डू आई वांट टू सी. सो व्हेन अ रिसेप्शनिस्ट एक बार लाइन पे आ गई तो मैं क्या क्या बोलना चाहिए और वो क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकती है और मेरा उसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए?
So when the receptionist will ask you why you want to meet, किसको मिलना है आपको या किस लिए मिलना है, the best answer to give it to them is I am stressed out and I need a counselor. That's it. And your appointment, yes, and your appointment will get fixed up.
Oh, so they should meet a counselor. They should just go ahead and say, I want to meet a counselor.
Counselor. Now, what happens when do we go to a psychiatrist? When you go and meet a counselor will try to do certain things. For an example, it can, he can do a testing with you. Okay, it will just be a normal questionnaire. There is nothing fail or you don't pass or you don't fail in it. It's just a questionnaire to have a better understanding of the kind of problem that you're facing, to have a deeper meaning to it. A counselor decide, are you supposed to go through a therapy, or it can a talk therapy can work for you.
Also, the counselor basically talks to you and figures out कि कहाँ जाना है, आपको साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास जाना है या आपको साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाना है. द रीजन व्हाई आई एम टॉकिंग साइकाइट्रिस्ट ऑल्सो is because the stress becomes so much that you start feeling suicidal.
Absolutely.
Right? And sometimes when you reach that particular stage, the psychologist will go ahead and see कि बॉस ग्राफ कहाँ है, परसेंटेज कितना ज्यादा है और क्या इसको मेडिकेशन चाहिए. Not because of your cross dressing bit, but मेडिकेशन इसलिए चाहिए कि क्या बिकॉज ये सुसाइडल हो रहा है और इसकी जान बचाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो क्रॉस ड्रेसिंग का इससे लेना देना कुछ नहीं है कि आप क्यों जाओगे. इफ यू फीलिंग स्ट्रेस, यू शुड you should approach a counselor. Absolutely. And a counselor will figure out and will direct you whether you need to go to a psychotherapist or a psychologist or a psychiatrist. वो डिग्री देख के वो डिसाइड करेंगे, राइट? तो इसका मतलब जब वो फोन करें एक साइकोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे या एक साइकाइट्रिक सेंटर पे, मेरे को मालूम है मैं एक क्वेश्चन पे आऊंगी ये साइकाइट्रिक सेंटर वाले. अगर ये उन्होंने फोन किया, अपॉइंटमेंट मिल गया, ठीक है, अभी अपॉइंटमेंट मिल गया, मैं अंदर गई, पहले तो मेरी हालत खराब हो जाएगी. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, मैं अपने आप को एक क्रॉस ड्रेसर क्लाइंट या एक फ्रेंड के हिसाब से मैं बात कर रही हूँ. सो आप इमेजिन करिए मैंने कैसे भी हिम्मत करके फोन करके मैंने अपॉइंटमेंट ले लिया. अपॉइंटमेंट लेके मेरी हालत खराब होने लग गई जब मैं कार से निकली. बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं सीढ़ी चढ़ के मैं गई साइकाइट्रिस्ट के दरवाजे तक, राइट? अभी वहां मेरी धड़कनें बहुत तेज हो गई. अभी वहां पे मेरे को डर लगने लग गया जब मैंने अपने जूते उतारे या नहीं उतारे या जो कुछ भी है. मैं इसलिए इतना डायरेक्टली क्योंकि सबके दिमाग में ये एक पिक्चर बना रही हूं मैं. मैं गई और जब मैं बैठूंगी रिसेप्शन में तो मेरी हालत खराब होनी शुरू हो जाएगी कि बाकी जो लोग वहां पे बैठे हैं या जो रिसेप्शनिस्ट बैठी है या बाकी जो लोग बैठे हैं या पोछा करने वाली वहां पे है, वो मेरे को कैसे जज कर रही है. तो मेरे को इस टाइम पे अपने आप को क्या बोलना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ से भाग सकती हूँ. मैं इतना डरी हुई हूँ कि वो वहां से मैं भाग सकती हूँ. तो मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए इस टाइम पे?
Okay, so first of all, to answer your question, you used a very nice word. You said judge. Those people are judging you, right? So वो एक दिमाग में चल रहा है. Tell me one thing, हमें कहाँ जज नहीं किया जाता? Forget about a psychological center. हम रास्ते पे चलते हैं, हमको जज किया जाता है. You go to a shopping mall, people are watching you, they will judge you. Your own family members also judge you, isn't it? So we are getting judged, and as human, we have got that tendency of judging everybody. So why get worried about a psychological center?
हाँ, बट मेरे पास में एक टिप भी है, आप बताना कि ये टिप अच्छा है कि नहीं है।
ओके, बताइए।
मैं जब अपने क्रॉस ड्रेसर क्लाइंट्स को पहली बार या दूसरी बार या जब भी है, जब मैं ड्रेसअप होके उनको क्लाइंट्स को मैं बाहर लेके जाती हूँ, ये मेरा शैपरॉन सर्विस है जहां पे वो आते हैं, मेकअप करवाते हैं और उसके बाद में मैं उनको बाहर लेके जाती हूँ। वो डिपेंड करता है उनको जाना है कि नहीं। और ऑफ कोर्स उसके अलग चार्जेस हैं। मैं या तो उनको पब लेके जाती हूँ या क्लब या डिनर या लंच या मूवीज या शॉपिंग। और उनकी वो बहुत नर्वस हो जाते हैं कि मैं कैसे, हाउ माई लुकिंग, व्हाट इफ। तो मैं उनको सिर्फ एक चीज बोलती हूँ, डू नॉट लुक पीपल इन देयर आईज।
ऑलराइट,
आप देखो ही मत। आपको जो करना है आप करो। आपने अगर गलती से भी किसी की आंखों में देख लिया और एक थोड़ा सा भी जजमेंट आपने फील किया, आपका पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस नीचे चला जाएगा, पूरा का पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस। तो अगर आपने 10 लोगों की आंखों में देखा, 8 लोगों ने आपको अप्रूव किया, 2 लोगों ने जजमेंट दिया, वो 2 लोगों के इतनी बड़ी बात हो जाएगी कि आप वहां से आपको बहुत खराब लगने लग जाएगा। तो मेरे ख्याल से एक टिप ये भी है बहुत सारे लोगों को जो एक ऐसे काउंसलर सेंटर में जाना चाहते हैं और उनको लगता है कि लोग मुझे देखेंगे, लोग मुझे स्ट्रेस्ड आउट फील कराएंगे, जजमेंट करेंगे, कि जब आप जाएं वहां पे तो आप लोगों को मत देखो। लोगों को देखने की जरूरत क्या है? आप अपने काम से गए हो, आप अपना न्यूज़पेपर लेके जाओ, अपना बुक लेके जाओ, अपने फोन पे काम करो, अपना लैपटॉप लेके जाओ, आप अपना बिजी रहो। आपका नंबर आएगा, आप अंदर जाओ, तब आपका काम आपका शुरू हो जाएगा। तो आप अपने आप को उस टाइम पे बिजी रखो। ऐसे ही मत चले जाओ कि बस अभी मेरी हालत खराब है। अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करना है उस टाइम पे, क्योंकि आपको हेल्प चाहिए। इसलिए नहीं कि आप क्रॉस ड्रेसिंग कर रहे हैं। मैं बाकी जो अभी व्यूअर्स अभी आए हैं मैं उनको बार बार बता रही हूं, हमको इसलिए वहां पे जाना है, इसलिए नहीं कि आप क्रॉस ड्रेसिंग कर रहे हैं, इसलिए नहीं कि आप जेंडर फ्लूइड हैं। आप वहां इसलिए जा रहे हैं क्योंकि आप इतने स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हो चुके हैं कि आप रेगुलर, आप शायद आपकी नींद नहीं, आप रेगुलर चीजों में आप खुशी नहीं महसूस कर रहे हो।
एब्सोल्युटली,
you're not able to feel that life has got any meaning, and that's dangerous.
True, very true.
That's when you should go to a counselor to get help, because don't reach that stage, right? Am I right, Vicky?
Absolutely. Yani, there is a lot of stigma attached to it. Visiting a counselor. तो सबसे पहली चीज आती है, पागल है क्या, इसको अभी मेंटल डॉक्टर के पास जाना है। In India or generally, we have not given importance to mental health, which is very much important right now. सर्दी हो गई, हमको पता है हम क्रोसिन खा सकते हैं, पर अगर आपको स्ट्रेस हुआ है तो आपको करना क्या है?
वेरी ट्रू। क्योंकि जो एक मेडिसिन एक के ऊपर में काम करती है, वो जरूरी नहीं है कि दूसरे पे काम करेगी।
एब्सोल्युटली। मैंने एक चीज देखा है हमारे नेबर्स में, सब जगह पे, अगर कोई कहता है कि आई एम लिटिल बिट स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, बोलते सो जा, नाइस, यू गो टू स्लीप एंड इट विल बी ओवर।
अरे ये बात मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि सिर्फ सो जा नहीं, लोग बोलते हैं, अगर मैं किसी को बोलती हूँ मैं बड़ा स्ट्रेस्ड आउट फील कर रही हूँ, मैं बड़ा डिप्रेस्ड फील कर रही हूँ, बोलते हैं एक अच्छी मूवी देख ले, बाहर चली जा, शॉपिंग कर ले, कुत्तों के साथ खेल ले, अपने बेटे के साथ खेल ले। अरे बाबा, ये सारी चीजें वर्क नहीं करती हैं। इफ आई एम फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड एंड आई एम लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट इन लाइफ, please go and visit a psychologist, a counselor. Psychologist नहीं मैं word use करूंगी, a counselor. आपको जाना जरूरी है। ये आप समझो कि आप अपनी लाइफ में आप इतना स्ट्रेस फील करो। मैं एक बात बता, एक क्वेश्चन, एक लोगों ने, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आप लोग अभी लिख रहे हो। मैंने जब आप लोग को बोला था कि आप डीएम करो, अपने क्वेश्चंस आप भेजो, तब आप लोगों ने मुझे क्वेश्चंस नहीं भेजे और आप अभी मैसेज कर रहे हो। तो मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन में लगी हुई हूं, मैं कहां से बीच में क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ूंगी और मैं पूछूंगी। ऐसे में हमें विकी को दोबारा बुलाना पड़ेगा, पर उसके लिए थोड़ा हमको टाइम लगेगा। पार्ट बी करेंगे बाद में, कभी और, मालूम नहीं कभी और। तो मैं उस चीज के लिए भी प्रॉमिस नहीं कर सकती। पर हाँ, मैं ये बोलना, क्या बोल रही थी, मैं ये आपको बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि ऐसा मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन आया कि I feel like dressing up. I am unable to dress up, and I am unable to keep my family happy.
Okay.
I'm unable to find happiness in my married life, as a husband, as a brother, as a father, as a son. I am unable to find happiness. I am not able to do justice to it. What
Okay.
do I do? I am feeling really, really stressed.
Okay.
मेरे को मालूम है इसका थोड़ा बहुत क्वेश्चन आंसर हम लोगों ने पहले डिस्कस कर लिया है, पर ये स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन मैं इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ क्योंकि शायद आंसर डिफरेंट हो सकता है, तो मैं आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ जो मेरे क्लाइंट ने, जो मेरे एक फॉलोअर ने मेरे को भेजा डीएम से। तो क्या क्या इस चीज का आंसर होना चाहिए?
पहली चीज, द रीजन is much more than just what the person has must have just told you ki I'm stressed out because I'm not happy. Why are you not happy? What is making you unhappy? Right? There are a lot of people, they do not understand मुझे स्ट्रेस है, किस चीज का स्ट्रेस है। कई बार तो यही सोचने में चला जाता है कि स्ट्रेस किस चीज का है, ये पहले बताओ, क्योंकि हमको वही नहीं पता है। राइट? एंड इफ आई एम or if there is anybody, okay, when I say I'm just talking in general term. So when I say I am cross dressing myself, have I accepted it, or am I still struggling in my head? Am I still thinking from two point of view? So if that is
तो
not
बैठे बैठे क्या होता है, तो बैठे बैठे क्या होता है इन सब, जिनको भी क्वेश्चंस हैं गाइस, जिनको भी बहुत डीपर क्वेश्चंस हैं इस बारे में, आप प्लीज विकी मैनुअल के उनको डीएम कर सकते हैं, वो आपको गाइड कर देंगे। वो मुंबई में हैं, वो गाइड करेंगे आपके सिटी में उनको कहाँ जाना चाहिए, किधर जाना चाहिए, आप उनको डीएम करिए। और अगर वो क्वेश्चन वैलिड है तो आप उनसे हेल्प ले सकते हैं। राइट? अभी उस चीज पे हम डिग इन और डीपर नहीं करेंगे, पर ये चीज सही है कि आप बैठ के अपने आप दिमाग मत लगाइए कि ये मुझको स्ट्रेस क्यों हो रहा है। मैं अपने आप को आई वॉन्ट टू डिग इन एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर। आप इतने साल, इतने महीने यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड एन आंसर। व्हाई डू यू वांट टू वेस्ट मोर टाइम एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि मेरे साथ पे ये क्यों हो रहा है? आप अपने आप में जवाब मत ढूंढिए, ये हेल्दी भी नहीं है आपके मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए। तो आपको अगर क्वेश्चंस, एक टाइम अगर आपका आ गया कि आप अपने आप को क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, और एक दिन नहीं, 2 दिन नहीं, आप उस पे हफ्तों गुजार रहे हैं, आई थिंक तो वो एक बाउंड्री क्रॉस हो गई है कि आप अपने आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि ये चीज अभी मेरे हाथ से बाहर है, मेरे को क्वेश्चंस नहीं मिलेगा। आप योगा करना, आप इधर करना, ये आर्टिकल पढ़ना, वो आर्टिकल पढ़ना प्लीज बंद कर दो। आप प्लीज एक काउंसलर के पास में जाइए और आप उनसे बोलिए मैं स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हूं और मुझको इस बारे में क्या करना चाहिए, एंड देन यू विल गेट प्रॉपर हेल्प।
Let me tell,
absolutely,
Yani, let me tell this to everyone. India is a free country and freedom of speech is given to everybody. So हर गली का बंदा आपको एडवाइस दे देगा, मेडिटेशन कर लो, अरे आप ऐसा कर लो, आप वैसा कर लो। So let's not go to that level and go to a proper counselor which would help you.
हाँ, मैं बताती हूँ, मैं अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में देती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है ये चीज। जैसे ही मेरी नींद इफेक्ट होती है, अगर मैं 8 घंटे से वो 5 घंटे हो जाती है और 3 घंटे हो जाती है, मेरे को मालूम है कि कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है। अगर मेरी भूख कम हो जाती है अचानक, मेरे को मालूम है कुछ मेरे साथ हो रहा है। अगर मेरे को छोटी छोटी बात मेरे को लग रही है, मैं बहुत इमोशनल हो रही हूँ, या टू द पॉइंट दैट आई वांट टू क्राई, समटाइम्स इफ आई डोंट गेट अ रसमलाई आई कैन क्राई। If I am I'm just saying, sometimes I'm just saying something so random. I know कि बॉस कुछ हो रहा है, ये चीज बैठ के मैं कुरेदूंगी नहीं और आंसर नहीं लूंगी। Let me go to my psychiatrist. Now the problem is, I'm again telling my viewers, because I'm a bipolar type 2 and I understand my signs.
Okay.
आपको अपना साइन नहीं पता चल रहा है ना, क्योंकि आपको मालूम नहीं है। तो अगर आपको मालूम, अगर आपकी भूख कम हो गई है, आप टेंशन में हैं, आप स्ट्रेस में हैं, आप की भूख, आप सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, आप किसी चीज में आपको खुशी नहीं मिल रही है, जैसा विकी ने बताया कि आपको एक काउंसलर के पास जाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और जो व्यूअर्स अभी आए हैं, मैं चाहती हूं कि आप प्लीज रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन देखिए, कि हम लोगों ने क्या क्या डिस्कस किया है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हमने डिस्कस की हैं इस टाइम पे. इन अ मिड वीक आई एम सीइंग अबाउट 37 to 40 people joining us, and it is very encouraging because I understand that people have realized that they need help.
Absolutely.
That's the reason why today when I have brought a psychotherapist, you guys are so pumped about it. You guys want to know how do we go ahead and sort this out, and that's the reason why you're watching. So I want to encourage you, and I'm very happy that today you're watching us and that you will watch the recorded version as well. So Vicky, would you want to add something to what I'm saying? Would you want to add, or do you want me to move to the next question?
I would just add up to what you have just saying, that realizing is a half battle won. So the moment you realize that I need help, you're half the battle has won there itself. Now the only thing is required is the courage to pick up the phone and call up a psychological center.
Oh, that is very big. वो वहां तक के पहुंचना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल है.
पर
अच्छा, मैं एक बात पूछती हूँ आपसे.
जीत गए हम.
अभी मैं एक चीज आपको पूछती हूँ. Actually, the word counselor, word psychiatrist, ये थोड़ा हमको डरा देती है. पर somehow the word psychotherapist is not as intimidating as psychologist, psychiatrist and a counselor.
Okay.
शायद काउंसलर, पर मैं सिर्फ बता रही, थोड़ा सा ऐसा थोड़ा डर लगता है. साइकोथेरेपिस्ट का हमको मालूम है, स्पेशली आप बोलेंगे कलर थेरेपी, ये सब तो ऐसा लगता है अरे थोड़ा जनरल है, इजी है जाना. पर साथ में आप ये भी सोच सकते हैं कि अरे कलर थेरेपी से क्या होगा मेरा, अरे हैंडराइटिंग एनालिसिस से क्या होगा मेरा, अरे ड्राइंग से मेरा क्या होगा, इससे तो मेरा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. ऐसा लोग सोच सकते हैं. तो आप ऐसे लोगों को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं, जो लोगों को लगता है कि अरे ये सबसे क्या होने वाला है, मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला, ये क्या है, ये यहाँ पे मेरे को जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप क्या बोलेंगे, आप क्या समझाना चाहेंगे?
That's a very good question that you have brought up, right? पहली बात तो जब आप कलर करते हैं, so when we are allowing you to do coloring, when we are allowing you to write something, we are allowing your subconscious mind to work there. That's A. बहुत सारे लोग बोल नहीं पाते हैं अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को. So we allow them to express. They cannot express. Not everybody is very good verbally to express their inner feelings. क्योंकि फिर से वही चीज आ जाती है, oh the front person who's listening to me is going to judge me. So we hide our feelings. So a therapist, especially when it comes to play therapy, color therapy, a graphologist, would help you to express your feeling without talking. So you can just draw, you can write, and you can do anything which is required or the therapist is telling you, and you can express yourself.
Right. अभी मेरे को आप बताइए कि अगर एक ऐसा हुआ है कि क्रॉस ड्रेसर की जो वाइफ है, उनको पता चल गया. 1 minute, my son is calling. हाँ शौर्या, no Shaurya, right now no, mama is working right now. Okay, sorry.
No problem.
Okay, I will see that later, Shaurya. I'll see that later. Shaurya, I'll see that later. Okay, thank you darling. Okay, so generally समझो आप साइकाइट्रिस्ट, जैसे मैं बता रही थी कि क्रॉस ड्रेसर की वाइफ को पहले से मालूम था, शादी के पहले से मालूम था कि ये क्रॉस ड्रेसर है.
Okay.
उसके बाद में अचानक शादी के बाद उसको पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होने लग गई. 2 बच्चे होने के बाद या व्हाटएवर, पता नहीं क्यों प्रॉब्लम होने लग गई. अचानक उनके बीच में झगड़े होने लग गए और उन्होंने बोला, वाइफ ने बोला, मैं आपको साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास लेके जाऊंगी, दिस थिंग यू हैव टू स्टॉप. राइट. अभी साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास भेज दिया. तो ये इस टाइम पे सिचुएशन को कैसे हैंडल करना चाहिए? तो फैमिली अगर आपके पास आई, राइट, आपके पास आई और बोले इसको लड़कियों के कपड़े पहनना पसंद है, इसके साथ में कुछ आप हेल्प किए, इसके साथ में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, राइट, आपको मालूम है इसके साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर अगर फैमिली आपके पास आई और फैमिली आपको फोर्स कर रही है कि प्लीज आप हेल्प करो, आप ही हेल्प करो, इसके साथ में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप कैसे हैंडल करोगे? आप क्या बोलोगे उनको? आप तो उनको नहीं बोल सकते ना आप जाओ करके, आप नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि अगर आपने हेल्प नहीं किया तो वो दूसरे के पास में जाएंगे या पता नहीं किसके पास में जाएंगे और शायद गलत हेल्प आएगी. राइट. तो इस टाइम पे आप क्या बोलेंगे अपने जो फैमिली आपके पास में आई है, आप उनको क्या बोलोगे?
Okay, so Yani, let me give you a example of my own. So sometime back, when for a counseling, a family came along with their son, right? And they said that isko problem hai. And that's the only word that they use, that isko problem hai. So I was trying to dig in. I'm like, तो क्या problem है आप जरा बताएंगे? And they were like, नहीं नहीं, इनसे आप बात कर लीजिए, इनको problem है. So I went to the client and I started talking to the client to understand deeper sense.
How old was the client? How old was this boy?
Might be 18, 19.
Oh, really?
Yes. And the mother was very stubbornly saying that इसी को problem है, इसी को problem है. So after talking to him, I realized that he does not have a problem. It's just that he's accepting. He wants to express himself in a different manner, which is very normal. That's it. So I had to go back to the family and tell them, hey, you know what? He's okay. Let's start the therapy with you. You need counseling because you have to accept it. Your acceptance
So
has to
you
come
started, right. So you started counseling the family without pissing them off.
Absolutely. I said, you require it.
Yeah. Now that I'm saying, like, there have been times when my crossdresser friends, their families or their wives have taken them to psychiatrists, and psychiatrist has gone ahead and said there is nothing wrong, and has gone ahead and instead counseled the wife only.
Absolutely, that is required.
तो आप डरो मत. People who are watching, people who will watch later, do not go ahead and think that these doctors are going to be, or these doctors or the psychologists, counselors, psychotherapists, whatever, are going to judge you or are going to tell you कि ये mental illness है और इसके लिए आपको.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
बोलिए.
Let me tell everybody that when you're going to a counselor or a psychological center, they have been trained to be non-judgmental towards everybody, whoever is visiting them. So do not have the fear. Visit a counselor. If you feel that you are stressed or there is anything that you want to talk about, or there is something that you have bottled up for years together, and you just want to open it up.
Bottled for years. Bottled up, boss, for years. Sometimes I get clients who are 50 years old, 60 years old, and they have bottled it. Okay, and they are miserable in their lives. Like, they have achieved things as a professional, as a family man. They've done fantastically. But imagine the way they have bottled it up. Sorry, it just paused. So imagine the kind of bottling up that they've gone ahead and done, which isn't healthy at all. ये चीज इतनी अच्छी हो सकती थी. Definitely, right? In
I'll
such
tell somewhere we are not trained to speak about our feelings. So that is one of the major problems. Like crying.
So do you mean to say that the people in the West are better trained?
Yeah, because
really to express themselves?
Absolutely, because they talk about their feelings.
Yeah.
And here we have been told that do not cry because crying is for females. Crying is just natural. Anybody can cry.
Right. Of course. No, Queer Soul, we did talk about acceptance and all of that before. You came, I think you joined in now, but we have gone ahead and talked about acceptance and all of that. There are people who have accepted Queer Soul, there are people who have gone out for counseling, and there have been people who still go ahead and say, I am feeling extremely stressed and there's something wrong. They still go ahead and ask me questions like that. People who have received counseling. That means that they always need to go back to ground zero and again go ahead, and of course there's no harm in taking help because you're telling acceptance, but it's still not going ahead and helping you, no? So what is going to happen? Why are you struggling? Yeah, why are you struggling? Because if it's getting you depressed in spite of you knowing the answer, then why are you stressed? If you are stressed and if it is that is making you depressed, you have to visit somebody who's going to help you out.
Absolutely.
By many people. Okay. Now, again, Piyushi Roy is asking, and I think we have already discussed this at the start, but I'm just going to go ahead and ask again that, why do people cross-dress? Somebody again asked. So we'll just give a quick, why do people start seeding?
Okay, again, cross-dressing is just like, gender expression. One that you're born with and one that you feel and one that you want to express yourself into. So that's it. So cross-dressing is gender expression. You just want to express.
Block hone wala hai. Right. No, absolutely. It's just an expression. It's just an expression, right?
Absolutely.
मैंने एक चीज और देखी है. एक ड्रैग क्वीन को एक्सेप्ट जल्दी करते हैं सोसाइटी और लोग बिकॉज वो परफॉर्मेंस है.
ओके.
राइट. एक ड्रैग क्वीन. बट अगर कोई सीडी है उसको लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं जल्दी. अगर आप बोलोगे ये परफॉर्मर है तो आप yes, it is always gender expression, Piyushi. That's what Vicky is saying, that it is always a gender expression when you start seeding. Correct me if I'm wrong, Vicky.
No, absolutely correct.
It is always gender expression, right? It is always that, because we discussed that even WHO has gone ahead and published and spoken about it, that seeding is not a mental disorder.
Mental disorder, absolutely.
It's correct. Not a disorder.
Absolutely.
Right. And I want you guys to see the rerun or see the recorded version of it, right? Okay, I lost the train of thoughts. So yeah, so it is due to parents dressing their kids into. Okay, very good question. So they generally feel, also a lot of my clients, that just because they have seen their sisters dress up or their mothers dress up, like the jewelry set out and their clothes are set out, because they had sisters and they had a lot of female gender in their family, that's why they got attracted to cross-dressing. Is it true?
No, not necessarily. That's completely different. That's completely different.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that way I am looking at a man who's digging a road. Why am I not going and digging the road then? I have been seeing that. Right? So what?
Good example. Just because you're seeing something doesn't really mean you feel like it.
Absolutely.
Right? Some people even told me that they started dressing up at the age of 5, at the age of 3, right? Some people even went ahead and said because their mothers dressed them up as girls, they felt like seeding. That is a bull.
So let me ask them. So as a kid, your mother was dressing you up. Once you have grown up, who's dressing you up then? What is happening then? So after grown up, it is your own feeling which is coming out, right? And you have allowed it to come out.
Very true. I'll tell you something, okay, which annoyed me a couple of days ago. Like, my son is always, not always there, but my son is generally there when I am doing, cross-dressing for a client of mine.
Okay.
And people go ahead and feel कि आप ना इसको एक्सपोज कर रहे हो, आप इसको एक्सपोज कर रहे हो सीडिंग के लिए, तो एक कल क्रॉस ड्रेसर बन जाएगा.
ओके.
देखिए इधर.
यस, सॉरी.
अभी ऐसा होता है क्या? क्या? तो मैंने बोला देखो, फर्स्टली ऐसा होता नहीं. वो अपनी माँ को देख रहा है काम करते हुए, राइट? ही इज एक्सपोज्ड टू कलर्स. हाँ?
अगर अपनी माँ को देख रहा है काम करते हुए किचन में, वो तो कभी उठ के काम नहीं किया. Why that does not happen then?
क्या बात है. तो कुछ क्लाइंट्स ना उस पे ऑफेंस लेते हैं, तो मैं उनको ये बोलती हूँ, बॉस ऐसा नहीं है कि हेल्प है. मतलब वो देख रहा है कि आई एम गोइंग अहेड एंड डूइंग work. In fact, he is very sweet. He even comes sometimes and go ahead and compliments. He even compliments my clients, saying that you're looking very pretty. this is a very nice wig, you're looking like a princess. Okay, so he understands. And sometimes he, like for example, if at all I give him a pink pencil, for example, he says, no, I don't want it, it's for girls.
Okay.
If I give him something, a floral book, not that I have taught him anything, okay, this is floral, this is for girls. We tried Snapchat the other day, okay, so there are some filters which are like, you know, with lipstick and eyelashes. The moment he looked at it, he said, "Che, this is for girls." Now, I have not taught him all that. I have not said, you are a boy, see, this is happening, you're a boy. He has figured it out by himself that he is not attracted to makeup, as to like applying makeup on self. He's not attracted to it. He's not attracted to dresses. He sees gorgeous saris. He sees gorgeous clothes around him. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to be, my son is going to be a cross-dresser. Isn't it? Right? There is also another thing. Abhina, somebody has to tell me the time, okay? According to me, 10 minutes are left. Guys, otherwise we're going to lose the entire talk here, because Vicky and I can go on talking. This is like, it's ye history hai hamari ki we will go talking. Okay, so guys, please somebody tell me how many minutes are we left with, okay? So this is something that somebody went ahead and said, and I just wanted your opinion as far as, you know, that is concerned. हाँ, network है. Start another live. Lovely Karina, thank you. Wait. अभी ये load हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों. हाँ, please, जहाँ पे फोन है उधर ही रखो. हाँ, जहाँ पे फोन है वहीं रखो. हिलाओ मत. नहीं तो पूरा लूज हो जाएगा. Somebody said start another live. किसका फोन आ रहा है, विकी?
Sorry.
हाँ, okay. तो हाँ, तो आपने सही बोला कि जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने अगर आपने अपनी माँ को कुकिंग करते हुए देखा, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि सीडी गौरी मैं नहीं रैप अप करने वाली जब तक बात पूरी खत्म नहीं हो जाती है. मैं पूरी बात खत्म करूंगी, और अगर मेरा मन किया मैं एक और लाइव स्टार्ट करूंगी. इतनी सारी बातें करने के लिए. हाँ, तो आपने बताया कि जरूरी नहीं है कि just because the person is exposed to different things and the person wants to go ahead and do it, it is his choice. Absolutely. And आपको फोर्स नहीं करना चाहिए कोई भी जेंडर चीज. एक किसी को आपको फोर्स नहीं करना है. किसी ने मेरे को बोला आप प्लीज अपने बेटे को भी आप ड्रेसअप करके आप प्लीज उसकी फोटो हमको भेजो, लाइक पब्लिश. मैंने बोला ये गलत बात है. मैं जबरदस्ती अपनी चॉइस में उसके ऊपर नहीं डालूंगी. मैं बोला जैसे अगर उसको सीडिंग करना होता और अगर वो स्टार्ट करता, मैं अपनी जैसे फोर्स नहीं करता. अगर आपने स्टार्ट किया सीडिंग और आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको फोर्स करना शुरू किया बोल के कि नहीं ये सही नहीं है, ये गलत है, तो मैं बोला मैं अपने बेटे को फोर्स करूं. आई सेड नो, उसको जो करना होगा वो करेगा. मैं बोला पर मैं जबरदस्ती उसको बैठा के मैं उसको लिपस्टिक और मैं लड़कियों के कपड़े डाल के, मैं बोला ये चीज फोर्सिंग सही नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट इज रॉन्ग. So do not force any child or do not force anybody to go ahead and dress up or stop any kind of this activity shouldn't be done. What is it? I know, of course it is wrong. I mean, somebody completely went berserk. So I gave him a right answer and the person went ahead and stopped going ahead and saying that. Okay. Now, one last question that I go ahead and, I wanted to ask. So, for example, a lot of my clients want to get married. They're single and they want to get married. Okay. Now, they want to get married and they always feel they do not know कि आपको अपने होने वाले को, right? अपने होने वाली बीवी को, अपने फियांसे को, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को क्या उन्हें बताना चाहिए कि वो सीडी हैं और वो ऐसा करना चाहते हैं आगे फ्यूचर में भी. मैं इसलिए सवाल पूछ रही हूँ क्योंकि सबको डर लगता है कि अगर वो बोलेंगे और अगर वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी उनकी होने वाली या अपनी बीवी को अगर वो बताते हैं तो या तो रिलेशनशिप खराब हो जाएगा या बंद हो जाएगा या वो शादी से बाहर आना चाहेंगे. तो बताना चाहिए क्या? पहली बात,
Okay, so
क्या उन्हें बताना चाहिए?
let me start with, when you create a building.
5 मिनट है हमारे पास, उसके बाद हम दूसरा लाइव शुरू करेंगे. ओके, क्योंकि है ये ऐसा लग रहा है मुझको. हाँ बोलिए.
Okay, so when a building is made, उसका बेस बहुत स्ट्रांग बनता है, right? The same way, अगर आप एक रिलेशनशिप में जा रहे हैं तो उसका बेस आप स्ट्रांग बनाना है with the trust. If there is no trust in the relationship, it's of no use. So I would always encourage that you should start your relationship on the trust base. So go ahead and talk to your partner.
हाँ, उसके बाद में जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली वो दोगुली लाइफ आप जीने के लिए अगर तैयार हैं और इतना स्ट्रेस लेने को तैयार हैं तो वो आपके ऊपर है. पर आप कल के दिन पकड़े भी जा सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है. तब आप क्या करोगे?
That will be more stressful.
कहीं ना कहीं तो निकलेगा ना.
Absolutely, that will be more stressful than today. So it is better. Let me be very honest. Let me go ahead and speak the entire thing. So for my tomorrow is going to be better. Otherwise,
okay.
I would
CD Gauri and Piyushi, do you want me to start another live right now? Is that what you're saying? So should I close this and start a part B? What is it that you guys are trying to say? Can you please tell me, because we have another 5 minutes. So please tell me, can I close this and start another chat right now? Because अरे मैं ये नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ, क्या जवाब आ रहा है? मैं पूछ रही हूँ ये अभी मैं क्लोज करूं क्या चैट? आपकी बात खत्म. लो कब होगी? मेरी बात खत्म नहीं होगी क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, तो मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ? तो मेरे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो विल डू वन थिंग, बिकॉज rather than rushing, what we'll do is give me 5 minutes, let me share this, okay, and I will go live with you again. Okay, let me share this video. This will be called part 1, and we will go ahead and do with the dog. We need time. Okay, so we will do a part B right now itself.
All right.
Okay, so give me 5 minutes, and we will let me share this video, and I will be with you in the next 5 minutes.
All right.
Goodbye.